Hi, I'm Tori Salvatore. This is Chapter 4, Exercise 5. We're going to make two different spirals, one that's a square base and one that's slightly off kilter. The way I started was kind of looking at, so first I did the basic, light green background, blue line, got all of the basic turtle things in there, and then looked at, this would be one statement or one function, because really what you're doing is you're just making a ton of the same angle and going around in an increasingly patterned fashion. So first to show the spiral itself, kind of walked through this sum accumulator style range statement where the turtle goes forward and to the right, but the sides increase by a certain amount of space every time it goes around, making the spiral. It took some trial and error, but wasn't too bad, and I set the side to 0 at first, like a sum accumulator, to get that going. So then what I did was I experimented first with the square and got that down pat. I had to count all the lines to make sure that this line ended up here, and it did. It was 100 lines, and the statement looks like this. So Alex turns 90 degrees 100 times, and the spacing between everything is 5, which is arbitrary, but made the square look very similar to the one in the textbook. Then experimenting with getting the off-kilter spiral down, I actually started trying to increase my degrees, then realized that this was actually decreasing, and 89 got me pretty close. So before running this, I just made some slight arrangement differences so that this thing would go smoothly. And that they would show up next to each other. Let's see how it goes. So as you can see, it almost exactly turned out. The line ended up in each of the same spots, and that's a wrap. Thank you so much.